Alright guys, I'm gonna go and add my callaloo stewed liver. See that, guys? Make sure I get enough of that liver. And then you need the gravy for the banana. Alright guys, as you can see, the complete dish, which is the finished product of my callaloo stewed liver with green bananas, guys. And you know this is a signature meal for me, guys. On a Christmas morning you want to have that, and it's perfect for breakfast, guys. And it's a good meal on your way to work. It will surely keep you fit throughout the whole day, guys. Fully iron. That's lovely. Alright guys, please remember to like, share, and subscribe. And guys, try my menu. I'm gonna leave the link in the description. Peace out.